Hi there, I'm going to show in this video tutorial how to unlock Tcl tab Lite. As usual, we have here one sample and you can see it is showing network locked and is requesting for the corporate lock. We are going to use FURIOUSGOLD box and OT Smart latest version to unlock it. So let's start by powering off the tablet. Let's remove the USB cable and power it off. Returning back to the software, I'm going to choose here our model, tab Lite, and from the operations I'm going to choose remove SIM lock. And here I'm going to press connect. And once the software starts searching for the tablet, I'm going to insert the USB cable in the powered off device. If everything is okay, the device gets detected and the work starts. And in just 1 second, the tablet was unlocked. Now it's time to power it on and check. So as you can see, it's not showing any more network locked. We already have here signal, Vodafone Romania, so the device got successfully unlocked. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.